I welcome everyone and thanks for joining me today. I know the majority of you, but for those who do not know me, my name is Nagendra Kottacheruvu. Today, I'm here to present an interesting proposal for a course named Ready, Locate, Connect. I'd like to begin by asking you a question. What do you think is the biggest challenge for teachers of English in the language classroom? Does anyone have an idea? To find out this answer to this important question, I carried out a needs analysis for our teachers. I conducted a survey and observed classes. You must be amazed by the outcome. I noticed that one of the biggest problems is handling heterogeneous students in the ESL classroom. From the survey, I observed that 90% of teachers of English are facing problems in handling heterogeneous students. When I examined classes, I witnessed managing heterogeneous students is one of the biggest challenges in the ESL classroom. Therefore, how could we handle this problem? I questioned myself. There, I determined organizing a teacher training course named Ready, Locate, Connect to resolve this problem. Let me explain you how this training will promote students, teachers, and administrators like you. Ready, Locate, Connect concentrates on handling heterogeneous students' methodology. It will offer teachers of English with a new approaches and techniques that are to be used in handling heterogeneous students. It will connect students and increase active participation. Further, this course will amplify learners' performance, which includes even in their grades. My overall aim is that by the end of the course, participants will be able to handle heterogeneous students, apply teaching theories, techniques, and approaches in their language classroom, and conduct their classes smoothly and get fruitful results. So far, we have discussed the description of the course and goal. Now, let us discuss the course outline. Let me begin with the course objectives first. By the end of the course, participants will be able to define distinctive features of heterogeneous students, teaching, the needs analysis strategies, identify handling heterogeneous students' characteristics in a lesson plan, and develop interesting and useful activities for the teaching context. We will be experimenting various interesting activities during the course to help the participants meet the objectives. You can observe all of these activities over here: role plays, just a minute sessions, group discussions, and peer learning, and watching videos, review and evaluate lesson plans. I have also conducted some research and discovered that according to Prodamo in the year 1989, handling heterogeneous students teaching activities increases learners' interest, motivation, and encourages them in participating situational dialogues, role plays, and group or peer interaction, which are required for learning the target language. We can see this idea from an expert in the field supports handling heterogeneous students methodology. I have also observed the supporting evidence from the case study at Maulana Azad National Urdu University at Hyderabad in India. Maulana Azad National Urdu University reported a 20% of overall final grades increased in English after their teachers received training in handling heterogeneous students' teaching methodology. In addition to increased English grades, I also found testimonials from teachers, heads of the departments, and principals about training in handling heterogeneous students, teaching and help their students and teachers. You can see some of their positive comments here. After learning about all of the affirmative characteristics of conducting this training, it will surely surprise. What about the logistics? Who, when, where, and how? I have answers to all these questions. The participants would be all teachers of English who are teaching at undergraduate level in our university. The training could be held on Thursdays and Fridays from January 10th to February 15th from 19 a.m. to 12 p.m. in library auditorium on. I would need a projector, reading materials, teaching videos, and lesson plans or activities and handouts. A budget of 5,000 Indian rupees for photocopies would be more than sufficient. Now that we discussed the logistics, let us talk about assessment and evaluation plan. My assessment plan would include group discussions, just a minute sessions, short presentation, and written test. The course evaluation would be goal based so that the participants would be looking at their goals and determining if they met those goals or not. So, as you can observe today, we have discussed one of the biggest challenges in the ESL classroom to handle heterogeneous students, and I have given you a solution to this challenge. Teacher training in handling heterogeneous students methodology. Let me explain to you why this is the best solution. Well, it will give teachers of English strategies to handle heterogeneous students in the ESL classroom and motivate students to participate in group learning and other language activities and enhance their language learning. Further, it has proven to increase students' active participation, interest, and the best results. I hope that today you have understood the advantages and benefits of organizing this training. I also hope that you will surely appreciate this idea and grant permission for me to organize, ready, locate, connect with our teachers. Thanks to one and all for giving me your valuable time and consideration. Have a great afternoon.